Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome to AppCoder. I'm Satyendra and today I'm going to talk about images in SwiftUI. Images is one of the most important part of any app, website or design. By the end of the video, you will understand how images improve user experience and how to use them properly. So image grab attention faster than text. They explain ideas visually. They make apps, website, or videos look professional. Let's assume if I'm running any business, I have to in the era of digital marketing, we have to promote our business as well. So user can we can grab the attention of users. So what are the ways we can grab the attention of users? I can post a image, uh, I can post a video, I can post a textual messages to grab attention of our users to our business. So image is also one of the most used component to grab the attention of any user, we can say. So if I want to use image in the Swift UI, I have to drag and drop our image over here. As you can see, I have already imported a image named city that is look like this. So if we want to use that city image to be represented here, I have to use that image. So this is the component to represent the UI as an image. I have to pass the image name inside this as a string. If I pass the same name, that same image will be represented over here. If I give any wrong name, like I have entered the underscore over here, so so image will not be represented here. We have to give the correct name over here to display the same. As you can see, we have much space available over here, like at the top of image, leading, trailing, and the bottom of the image. So if we want to cover it all, or if we want to allow the image to resize when we apply a frame or a scaling, we need to resize the image. So that is very useful component or useful property, we can say. So if I use resizable over here, as you can see, the available space is also covered, but not covered the safe areas. Because if we want to use this image as a full image, we can use ignore safe area over here. So what this does, this will explain the safe areas of a view. So this is a view component, we can say. Image is a view component, part of a view. So we have a space available uh, within the safe area that is also covered with this. If we use ignore safe areas, that will be the full size image. So let's comment it first. Or if we want to give a particular frame, like image with the size, as we have some requirement in our application that we have to show users profile image with the height of 200 or a width of 200. So we have to assign a fixed a frame for that. So there is a property named frame. We can I'll use the same with 300 with three height and width. As you can see, the image is transforming to the its frame size. But what's the exactly role of resizable here? If I'm going to comment it out resizable, then the image is also images get back to its previous size. So resizable also mapping the frames as well. So if I uncomment that, then the frame mm, is also set to 300 by 300. And the order is also very important in the Swift UI, because if I use this resizable after this frame, nothing will happen. So we have to maintain the order. our image is still not looking good enough. As you can see, we have a sharp edges over there with the within this image. So I can clip that as well. Before earlier, when we use Swift, so in UI kit we can use corner radiuses to perform some corner operations, make it clips to bound to give some shape. So let's in this Swift UI we can directly perform that such operations as well. So I'm going to make it a clip shape I'm going to make it a rounded rectangle. We have to assign a rounded rectangle property with the corner radius. So it will make this image rounded rectangle with the corner radius of assigned value. So I'm going to assign it 25. Okay. As you can see, the edges is gone and it's in corner radius now. 25. If I need to give some border to this image view, I can present an overlay layer over there. So overlay allows us to place something on the top of that image. Here we are adding another rounded rectangle, but instead of filling it, we using a stroke to draw the line outside this image frame. Okay, so let's make a overlay here. I'll use that overlay outside the images boundaries. Okay, let's uh, use this rounded rectangle to this overlay first. After that, I'll use stroke to this overlay. In this stroke, I can give a stroke color. In my case, I'll use anything like I'm using blue, but it's not represented to you. And I can give this stroke width as well to make you present. Okay, let's see. I'll give it to 3, but it's still not presented. Okay, what it says extra argument stroke width. Okay, so oh sorry. In this I cannot use stroke width. It's a line width. We can use that line width in 3. As you can see that 3 width is also available that overlays. It's not still still represented to you. I'll make it 12. As you can see, we have an overlay after this image with this color of blue, and line width will be 12. There is one more interesting property to apply, that is shadow. Hope you are aware of shadow, what shadow does. So I'll explain it to you. So if I want to apply shadow to this image, I can simply use this shadow. So I'm going to give shadow radius. So in our case, that shadow radius will be 2 or 3. And if I want to make a shadow color to be visible, so I'm going to give a custom color. So color will be color dot blue. So it will be represented nicely. Okay, let's remove it and give a comma. As you can see, we have 3 radius shadow available. So I'll make it 30. So it will be more visible to you. So as you can see, that 30 radius shadow is available after the image. So let's make it 10. As you can see, we have shadow after the image. One more interesting thing that I have forget to tell you. It's a padding with the image. So let's make comment all the first. Okay. As you can see, we have still space available with the safe area because we have commented the ignore safe areas as well. So if I need to give padding to the image with the left, right, or leading, trailing, we can say top or bottom. In the Swift or UI kit, we can say we have to give some constraint to it uh, for X value, Y value, width, height, or the leading trading as well. But in Swift UI, we can simply use that with the help of padding. So it will take a default padding for all the directions, like we can say top, leading, trailing, and the bottom one. But if you want to give it a custom size, you can also do that. Let's say that I have to use padding for all the directions for leading, trailing, top, and bottom. So I have to use that 50. So as you can see, uh, that make a space to this image frame with all direction, leading, trailing, and the top and bottom as well. So there are many more properties to explore for the image, but it's not possible to cover it within a single video. But if you have any doubt with these properties and other properties, you can comment it out. So that is it for today, guys. If you like the video, please share it, and please do subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.